Every laptop begins long before the first screw is installed. Its journey starts with raw materials, like silicon, copper, aluminum, glass, plastics, and specialized battery materials. One of the most important materials is silicon. It is purified, ensuring individual processor dies are properated using incredibly precise manufacturing processes. Microscopic patterns are created on the silicon. Layer by layer, billions of tiny transistors and electrical connections are formed. After manufacturing, individual processor dies are separated from the wafer, tested, and placed inside protective packages that allow them to communicate electrically with the motherboard. Next comes the motherboard. Multiple layers of fiberglass and copper are combined to create microscopic electrical pathways, connecting the processor, power system, and other components. RAM provides temporary working memory, while the SSD stores your operating system, applications, documents, photos, and videos, even when the laptop is turned off. The display is built from incredibly thin layers, containing millions of microscopic pixels. Each panel is carefully assembled and tested for brightness, color, and image quality. The keyboard and touchpad are manufactured separately, then tested for accuracy. Every key and touch surface must respond correctly before installation. The battery is built from lithium-ion cells and sophisticated control electronics. It must be carefully manufactured and tested to deliver power safely and efficiently. Inside the laptop, the cooling system prevents the processor from overheating. Heat moves away from the chip thermal material and heat pipes, while the fan pushes air through the heatsink. Inside the laptop, the cooling system prevents the processor from heating. Heat moves away from the chip thermal, while the fan pushes air through the heatsink. Now everything comes together. The motherboard, cooling system, storage, battery, keyboard, speakers, and display are carefully installed into the chassis. Once the hardware is assembled, the laptop is powered on. Its firmware checks the hardware, and the operating system and necessary drivers are installed. Before leaving the factory, every laptop goes through extensive testing. Performance, temperature, battery, display, ports, keyboard, speakers, and connectivity are all checked.